Rossi Hassad is an associate professor at Mercy College. He joins me now from New York to talk more about this. Thanks for being with us. A number of serious ethical questions here over how this drug is used and who it's used on. I mean, where do you even start in making that sort of assessment?
Well, I think I must applaud the World Health Organization for providing guidelines for ethical and responsible use. I think there is evidence coming from animal models, and while monkeys are not human beings, they do tell us a lot about safety and of the physiology of human beings. Also, we must not forget that we do have some evidence coming from the two patients, the two Americans who have been treated here in the United States. What we are seeing in them from reports from the Dr. Ken Brantley himself and Nancy's family is that there seems to be a steady improvement, and it's consistent for the two of them. So there is evidence to some level that this seems to be a potential treatment.
I mean, you mentioned there the World Health Organization. I mean, who ultimately makes the decisions about these drugs and how they're going to be distributed? Is it the WHO? Is it the governments in each country? How is all of this going to be coordinated?
Well, it's done by the respective authorities in each country. The Ministry of Health would be in the West African countries, the FDA in the United States, and so forth. But the decision to use an experimental drug is one that is determined by the patient and in conjunction with his or her physician.
And as you say, this is a very experimental drug. There's very little that's been known at this stage about how effective it's going to be. So should it be even mass-produced at this stage, or is this an exceptional situation?
Yeah, this is an extraordinary situation, as you said.